around.
Hi guys, doing something a bit different today. I know I haven't done any videos again for a little while, been busy waiting for parts to arrive for future videos, look out for them. Working on the Mini, got a few bits that we're going to be doing today. I'll show you what they are. Yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so today we will be dechroming the car. We've already got it off. Got the chrome strips off there and there and there. I'm going to get covers for these. I only wish I could pull them off and spray them, but no, I'm going to have to get covers to go over them. We've already got the black. Also, the chrome rings around the front are gone. They're going to be going black. Yeah, still got the chrome grille. I've got GCW grille, which I haven't fitted yet. That'll be in another video. Yeah, do away with that. The other thing I'm doing today is I was looking for a panel filter that would go in here, not realising that there's a tube, like a cone filter that goes inside here. Now, I did find something. So yeah, there's the standard cone that goes inside. It's just a push fitment, and there's like a locator thing on the end there. What I managed to find is a K&N air filter. So yeah, I'll be installing that in a second. So yeah, as I was saying, this is the original cone filter that's in there. Quite a mess. So yeah, need to change it anyway. Let's go ahead and install this one. Okay, so here's the new K&N air filter. I'll clean the box out as much as I can. Now this feels like it's already been oiled up. Some sort of preventative or something like that is on there. It feels very oily, but yeah, I was told these just slide over the back and then you push down into here. So that's it there. The air box has little tabs on the back. They just push in. Let me just have a bash of that and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so sorry about that guys. What it is, it pushes back. There's two tags on the back. You've got to push it back and then push it down. Two screws, which I haven't done up yet, but yeah, it sits straight on here and that's that guys. Now I've done that, hold on, I found out that the intercooler down here is the same as on the Coupe S's. And this being a diesel, I know they like to breathe, so I'll be upgrading that at some point. Possibly go for a remap on this. It's only 90 brake horsepower, but apparently I can get an extra 30 to 40 brake. But with the upgraded intercooler, I'm hoping I can go a bit more than that, but yeah, we'll see what we can get out of it in the future. Okay guys, so here's all the front rings, the back boot panel, the surrounds for the taillights, all done. Nicely sprayed by my wife. I think she's done a good job, really good job. So yeah, we're going to let these dry now, fire them with a bit of lacquer maybe, see how they look, pardon me. Yeah, so that's them guys. They'll be going on later on. Okay, so quickly show you now, we've got those nice blacked out. That's quite nice. Got my rear GP diffuser being fitted and the exhaust is going from a side exit to centre exhaust. So, still going with the side handles. There's the front surrounds done. Headlight surrounds. Looks quite tidy. Yeah, I have got a black JCW grilled corn here. I'm just waiting for the tool, excuse me, to get the pins out of the top, and then I'll be doing a video on that. But yeah, there it is, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you on another video. There, guys.